Hi everyone, we're making another dessert. This one is also so quick, super easy, even you could do it. Basically you just need a high-speed blender and it's healthy, so we all like that. And no extra sugar or any sweetener like that. Just frozen banana, cacao powder, a little bit of vanilla and salt. Boom. That's it. What do you need for this?
3 frozen bananas, 3 tablespoons of cacao, some salt and some vanilla.
Yay! Open up the vanilla and then we're just going to scrape out. So now we fill up the blender. Do you want to do it, Kate? Mm-hmm. And the vanilla.
And the cacao.
Great. And a large pinch of salt. And the milk.
Oh, it looks so satisfying.
So we'll start like that and then we might have to put a little bit more in. Put the lid on and now the NutriBullet is really going to work hard. Now and then you might have to help it out a bit, just shake it a bit and then put it on again. And maybe add a bit of milk, but you don't want too much milk because then it gets too loose, but maybe a tiny bit. And it's done. Now it's quite important to serve straight away, otherwise this will start to melt. So yummy. Do you want to put a little bit of mint on there?
I love mint chocolate.
Yeah, mint chocolate is the best. So it's a really hard work for the NutriBullet, but for us it's very little to do. That's the sort of pudding we like. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos and come back next time for another one. Take care, have a fabulous week. Bye!